Hello, students. Good morning. How are you? Today we are started the new chapter. This is the surface chemistry. Surface chemistry is already interrelated with the solution. You know, the solution part you are classified the solution in many types. Same manner, the surface chemistry is also branch of chemistry which deal the surface phenomena of the chemical reaction. In here, the you assume suppose you take the any substance, if the another substance is from the layer, outer layer, है ना, as well as they are from the inner layer, so that part that is called, that is a part of the surface chemistry. In here we are study the one terminology, that terminology, that is a adsorption. What is the adsorption? Adsorption, that is a process where the any substance is from the outer layer in out of the any substance. That is called the adsorption. Just like suppose you spray a perfume on your hand, then the perfume is from the outer layer in on your hand. So that process, that is called the adsorption. In here, the adsorption have two components. In here, just like they have a two components. First component, that is called the adsorbate. What is meant by adsorbate? The substance which form the outer layer, that is called the adsorbate. Just like you take the perfume which form the outer layer on your hand, the perfume is a adsorbate. And adsorbate, that is a the second part, yeah, second component of the adsorption. That is, the adsorbate is a substance which where the outer layer is formed, just like your hand. So that means your hand is adsorbent and perfume, that is a adsorbent. We have the some example of the adsorption, just like the hydrogen gets adsorbed on the platinum or the palladium. If you take the platinum or the palladium, then hydrogen gas is adsorbed. They are from the outer layer. Second, the harmful gas adsorbed on activated charcoal. Just like you wear the mask having the activated charcoal, they adsorb the harmful gas from the air. Next, third example is the water moisture adsorbed by on the anhydrous calcium chloride, where the calcium chloride adsorbs the water moisture. That means water, gas, and hydrogen gas, they are adsorbent. And platinum, palladium, activated charcoal are the anhydrous calcium chloride, they are adsorbent. In here we use the another one other term, that is called the adsorption. Absorption, what is by absorption? Absorption, that is a process where the any substance is formed, is from the outer as well as the inner layer. That means the process where the any substance uniformly distributed on surface or the bulky part of the any substance, that is called the absorption. Just like suppose if you take the sponge and sponge is dipped in the water, then you feel that the water is from the outer layer as well as the inner layer. So that process, that is called the absorption. So that means absorption and adsorption both are different. Absorption, that is a bulky as well as surface phenomena, but the adsorption is only surface phenomena. Third, we are use the third terminology, that is absorption. Absorption means, what is it by absorption? Absorption, that is a process where adsorption and absorption both process are take place simultaneously. That is called the absorption. Just like if you take the chalk, it dipped in the liquid ink, then you feel the blue color, they are from the outer layer, but the water is goes to the bulky part of the chalk. So therefore that is a process of the absorption, where the outer layer as well as the inner layer both are formed. That process, that is called the absorption. That means absorption and adsorption both process are take place simultaneously, that is called the absorption. In here we are use the deadsorption. D, that means the opposite process of adsorption. That means the process where adsorbate is removed from the adsorbent is called the deadsorption. Just like in winter season, the water is from the outer layer and the leaf. But when the sun rise, then the water is removed from the leaf. That process that is called the deadsorption. That means the water is removed from the leaf. In here, adsorption, that is a such process where the some amount of the heat is removed during the formation of the adsorption. Therefore, it is an exothermic process. And that amount of the process that is released during the adsorption, that is called the enthalpy or the heat of adsorption. It can be defined, the adsorption occur with the release in energy, that is the it is exothermic in nature. In here, the enthalpy change for the adsorption of 1 mole of an adsorbate on the surface of adsorption is called the heat or the enthalpy change of adsorption. That means during the formation of adsorption, if the 1 mole of adsorbate is formed the outer layer and the adsorbent, then it release the heat, that is called the enthalpy change of the adsorption. In here, adsorption is classified in two types. One that is called the physical adsorption and second is called the chemical absorption. That classification occur according to the forming the bond between the adsorbent and adsorbent. If the any physical bond is formed, just like van der Waals force, if they are acting between the adsorbent and adsorbent, then it is called the physical adsorption. In same manner, if the any chemical bond is acting between the adsorbent and adsorbent, that is called the chemical adsorption. Just like we have the van der Waals force, it is a weaker force, therefore the forming bond is also weaker, therefore it is unstable. And here, what are the main property? It is a non-specific, it is a reversible, it forms the multi-layer, and the enthalpy of the adsorption is very low, just like its value is at 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole. But in chemical absorption, in this absorption only single layer is formed, it is specific in nature, it is irreversible, it have a high heat of the adsorption just like the 182 to 40. Therefore, it is the stable respect of the physical absorption. In physical absorption, generally they are unstable. If you rise the temperature, then the adsorbent is easily removed from the adsorbent, but the chemical adsorption they cannot remove easily. Therefore, it is a stable because they are bonded with the high attractive any chemical bond. Next part, the effect a factor affecting the adsorption. It is a continuous in next part.